Hello YouTubers, just going to show you what I did today. These are pictures of my frame and neck and the supports for the neck or for the headset that I'm getting ready to cut with a Dremel. And this is the neck and the frame after I cut out the slot where the cable will go through there, and that'll make the radius a lot more relaxed for the cable so they don't have such a sharp turn. This will be a support for the back of the down tube. I was keeping track of the little cutoff discs I was using for the Dremel because they wear out really quick or they shatter and go flying. However, by the time I got done, I forgot to take another picture. I had about 45 that I used today of these little cheap ones. They come 38 to a package for like $6. And I had 3 of the reinforced ones. They're bigger and they last a lot longer, but they're a lot more expensive, and that was all I had of those. I used them first. Here is a spare piece of tubing I cut the down tube support out of, and then I also cut a little piece off here to help support the headset. And here is a mock-up of the down tube with the support that I cut out. And this is the little mock-up of the little triangular support for the headset on my top of my down tube. And I welded it, and it looks horrendous. I had to grind that off and re-weld it several times. I tinkered with that all day until I finally figured out that if I just blasted one shot at a time instead of trying to run a continuous bead, I could actually get better results. And here is the headset piece I'm going to be using with it. I've welded the other side of that. That's how it's holding up. And of course I notched out the end of this little support to match the tubing as well. And here I've welded it on and ground it down some. You can see the variations in the metal. This is a blurry picture of the down tube. I'm trying to mock it up and get ready to weld it. You can see the slot for the cable relief. It's hard to see, but there's actually a slot here as well. And this is it after I got it welded. The whole frame, the base of the frame, and the neck, down tube, and headset. Here's a picture of it from the other end where I welded all the way around, and just giving you multiple points of view. And here I'm getting ready to weld the motor mount supports. There's a piece on each side. You'll see here in just a second how it's shaped, but I'm just mocking it up right here. And this is it after I welded the top part of it, which was in the insides and the outsides. I still have to flip it over and go back and weld the bottom and the outsides and any places I miss, and clean it up some tomorrow. And there's just another shot of it, the frame. Motor mounts. Now the rear legs will come off of each side here and come straight back to hold the tire. They're over here. I'll do that tomorrow too. This was the down tube before I welded it all together. It kind of got out of place here. There's the support. Another shot of the frame from that angle. And just another shot of the frame with the... Actually, I think I was mocking it up there, because that doesn't look right. I'm not certain how that got in there. At any rate, that takes us back to square one, and that's what I was up to today. Alright, I just thought I'd try this way so you could see a little bit more what I'm doing as I do it, because I know I work all day and then I tell you about it, and you don't really see me doing anything. And that's because I don't like to try to work with one hand. I watch Brendan V do that, and I don't know how he does it. He's a magician. It looks real frustrating to me, and I don't even want to attempt it. Okay. Well, thanks for watching.